Most of us think of aluminum foil as something for the kitchen, but gardeners know it has so many other uses. Today, I'll show you several clever ways you can use foil to protect your plants, save water, and even boost growth. 1. Reflecting light indoors. If your houseplants or seedlings aren't getting enough sunlight, foil can act as a natural reflector. Place it behind or around the plant, and it bounces sunlight back onto the leaves. This gives plants in darker corners a much-needed light boost, helping them grow straighter and healthier instead of stretching toward a single window. 2. Conserving moisture in soil. Foil can also help conserve moisture. By covering the soil with foil, you reduce evaporation, meaning your plants stay hydrated for longer. This trick is especially handy in dry climates or for gardeners who can't water as often. 3. Pest control. One of the smartest uses of foil is pest protection. Wrapping foil around the base of plants, like tomatoes, peppers, or young fruit trees, can stop cutworms, slugs, and other crawling insects from climbing up the stem. And here's a bonus. Hang shiny foil strips near your plants. The moving reflections scare off birds and even some flying insects, keeping your fruits and veggies safe without chemicals. 4. Regulating temperature. Foil can also help regulate temperature. In the summer, wrapping foil around pots reflects the harsh sun, keeping the roots cooler. In colder months, foil combined with a plastic cover can trap warmth and protect delicate seedlings from frost. 5. Boosting seed germination. Want faster germination? Line your seed trays or even a simple cardboard box with foil. It reflects both light and warmth, creating a mini greenhouse effect. Your seeds will sprout quicker and stronger. 6. DIY grow light reflector. You can even use foil to make a DIY grow light setup. Line a box with foil, place your plant and light inside, and you've got a budget-friendly grow chamber that maximizes every bit of light your plants receive. Important tips. Just remember, never wrap the entire plant in foil. They still need air circulation and direct sunlight. Foil should be used to reflect and protect, not to trap. So there you have it. Aluminum foil isn't just for leftovers. It can help your garden by reflecting light, saving water, deterring pests, regulating temperature, and even boosting seed growth. A simple, affordable tool with big benefits. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel.